Hi there, Justin Terhune here with Inaba Denko America, and we are back today with another tips and tricks video. It's no secret to us here at Inaba Denko that contractors love to save time on installations. They like to save money on product, and they love to prevent callbacks. Today, I'd like to show you how Inaba Denko's DSH-UP can help you accomplish all three. Now, if you've ever done a ceiling cassette with your ductless install, then you're probably used to what we call the old school way of using PVC for your drain lines. The concern with that is, number one, there's a bundle of materials. The PVC itself, Sawzall or PVC cutter, primer, the glue, insulation, tape, hangers, supports, the whole 9 yards. The problem with that is there's a lot more possibilities for potential issues. Condensation issues from bad insulation, leaking from failed PVC cement joints, maybe cracks from stress, not to mention servicing the equipment when you've got a fixed drain in place. The DSH-UP is actually designed to tackle all three of those. Comes in a package just like this. Included is the thermal insulated drain hose. It is pre-insulated, and you can see it's very flexible, easy to maneuver. It's got the hose bands with the coupling joints. There's a 90 on one end and a straight coupler on the other end. Also comes with these thermal insulated covers and thermal insulated tape to keep those in place. And lastly, it comes with a water leakage check sheet. If there's ever a leak, this will tell you. No need to disassemble this unit at all. So real quick, how this works is you typically run your straight line over PVC or copper. The 90 will hook straight to there. We'll tighten the hose clamp down, put our 90 fitting on here, and tape it. That's done. This will very easily run over to the ceiling cassette. We'll do the same thing, tighten that down, put on our insulated piece, and we're done. Saved a bundle of time. We're not going to have any issues with condensation because it's pre-insulated, it stays that way. And if there's ever any leaks, there's no need to disassemble your PVC or your piping. This will tell you. And if in fact you do need to, it's as simple as removing the insulation, disconnecting the drain, and then putting it all right back together. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. We'd love to keep you up to date on new products such as the DSH-UP. And feel free to check out our full product offering at inabadenkoamerica.com and follow us on LinkedIn and Instagram. We'd love to let you know what's going on in your area. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.